Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Okay, now let's all work together and get Mickey out of this mess.
Right on! Accurately, like this.
What's up, Jen?
There's an emergency in the square. Can you check it out?
Oh, okay.
Sir Topham Hatt will be very cross if these troublesome trucks don't get to the docks on time.
An independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe.
Identified as Crop Hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well-
Where did he go?
Excuse me, mister.
Of my life when I started black bitty, bam-a-lam, all black bitty, bam-a-lam, all black bitty, bam.
McQueen and Sally, Department 8 K-I-S-S.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
That's enough. No questions, scusi. Out of the way. Back up. Back.
All right. See you later. Bye-bye.
It's going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Obviously an imposter. He looks old and broken down.
Hey!
And with flabby tires.
I do not.
Correcto, hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
Nobody to hang out with. I mean, except the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the twins, of course. You know the twins, the ones that used to be your fan.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Scopic examination, I have found that it has one small weakness. When hit with an electromagnetic...
Change your mind? Hit it! First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
This is valuable equipment. Make sure it is properly secured.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
It's a nodder!
But you'll never be one of us.
Then Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
The flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Sweet pea, my baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
What?
So don't...
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.